In this video, we're going to learn how to add pages to our website and also how to add menus. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard. Let's have a look at the pages section. Okay, so if you click on pages, you'll see that at the moment we've got only one page, about. Okay, so this page, so if we try to view it in a new tab, okay, so this is not actually our home page. So our home page is this one, and our about page is that. Okay, it's different. So this one is the post page, okay, and that one is another page. Okay, so we're not going to see our post page in here. Okay, I'll come back to that later. Okay, so the pages section will show only static pages and not post pages. All right. Let's have a look quickly at our menu section in the appearance menus. Okay, to create a menu, we're just gonna give it a name. So let's call it menu 1 and click on create menu. All right. So on the left hand side, you can see the pages in our website. And if you select one page, so at the moment you've got only one static page. So again, we won't see the post pages. And if you click on add to menu, then this is going to add one item to our menu, and it's going to go to the specific page. Okay, if we click on it. So we would need to choose the location of our menu. So the first menu, we're going to have it as the main menu, and it's going to appear at the top of the page. Okay, so if we save this menu and just refresh our page, then we can see our menu there. At the moment, we have only one item inside our menu. Okay, so let's create another item. So we don't see the page corresponding to the post page. Okay, so what we're going to do, we've got an alternative here. We're gonna go for a custom link. Okay, and we're gonna give it a URL corresponding to this, and the link text is going to be home. Okay, and then you're going to click on add to menu, and if you click on the arrow, we only need that. Okay, so make sure the link is correct. So now if we save the menu and refresh our page, then we can see about and home. So let's change the order. So we can just drag and drop these to choose where or what order you want. So let's save again. And now we've got the right order. Okay. Now we can add more pages to our website and have more items inside our menu. So let's add one more page. If you go to pages, let's add a page by clicking on add new, and let's call our page contact. Okay, we're going to keep it blank for now, and let's just click on publish. And now if you go back to the menus section, appearance menus, you'll see the new page there, contact. Just check this and add to menu. Okay, we can see it there. So now if we save our menu and refresh the page, okay, now you can see the new item there. All right. Okay. Now let's create another menu at the bottom of the page. So to do that, let's just click on create a new menu, and let's name it this time menu number 2. Okay, and click on create menu. So we can select all the pages we want to add to the menu and just add to menu. We're still missing the home page, so let's just use the custom link again. Okay, and the link text is going to be home. Okay, just make sure that you don't have two HTTPs there. Okay, to avoid the mistake I had the first time. So if we click on add to menu, then we can see our home item there, got the right link there, and we can just put the home first, then about, then contact. Okay, and we need to check the box for bottom menu. So if we save the menu and refresh the page, then we are going to see a second menu at the bottom of the page. Okay, and you can check by clicking on these links. So this one will take us to the about page, that's the contacts page, and that's the home page. All right. To finish, let's add another item to our bottom menu. So we're going to create a new page and call it credits. Okay, and just publish it as a blank page for now. Let's go back to our menus, and now we can add this page, okay, to the menu. That's the bottom menu. So if we save and refresh our page, then we'll see that our bottom menu now has got 4 items, and you can see the credits item there. If you click on it, it takes you to the credits page. Okay, so that's how we deal with menus using the WordPress dashboard. Okay.